Blackvue cameras have the most versatile dash cam systems available in the market today. Unfortunately, there are so many owners of Blackvue vehicle cameras who are not aware that they are missing out on the best features these cameras have to offer. For example, most Blackvue vendors offer the cameras with the Power Magic Pro, which is great for saving your car from a discharged battery. But customers find it hard to install, and even professional installers have been known to install them improperly, causing the cameras not to work in parking mode. Because of this confusion, we are now introducing an easier way to power your cameras with an OBD power connector. The snap-on OBD power connector connects to your vehicle's OBD port. With one snap, your cameras are powered for drive and park mode, making installation quick and easy for customers or vehicle stereo installers. The OBD power connector is included free with your purchase. If you have a sensor module already plugged into your vehicle's OBD port, we can supply you with a Y connector to allow you to have both the cameras and your module safely installed in the same OBD port. Camera positioning. With this cylindrical design, you can create a 360-degree view by rolling the cameras inward. You will have a view of the inside of your vehicle while viewing the surrounding area through your vehicle windows and cloud recording. When you make your order at homerestore.com, we do not expect you to go out of your way to search for and pay for a hotspot device. We will supply you with a link that will allow you to get a free hotspot modem with free data and no obligation. Learn more about how to use your Blackvue camera system, along with other security camera systems available from our online store.
Come here. Oh, sorry, baby.